Hi, Bear Brothers Cleaning here, Alabama's cleaning pros. Today we're showing you how to deep clean your closet from top to bottom. Your closet is collecting dust, dirt, and clutter that's affecting your clothes and air quality. Here's how to transform it into a fresh, organized space. Closets trap dust, develop musty odors, and become disorganized chaos. Dust settles on shelves, dirt accumulates in corners, and that stale smell gets into your clean clothes. Here's our professional closet cleaning method. First, remove everything. Yes, everything. Sort items into keep, donate, and toss piles. Vacuum or sweep the floor and corners thoroughly. Wipe down all shelves, rods, and walls with an all-purpose cleaner. Don't forget the baseboards and door frames. Vacuum or wipe the ceiling and any vents. Let everything air out while it's empty. Once dry, organize items back neatly. Use organizers, bins, and proper hangers. Place cedar blocks or sachets to keep it smelling fresh. Amazing transformation. Your closet is now clean, organized, and smells fresh. Deep clean seasonally and maintain weekly for lasting results. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332 www.bearbroscleaning.com.